Here in my bowl I have my clean chicken thighs and drumsticks. So what I did, I washed them in some white vinegar and lime juice. Then I remove all the water. Then I pat dry them. So now I'm going to add some seasoning to the chicken. So first I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning. Afterwards I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. You can always add any season of your choice. Now I'm going to add some black pepper. Afterwards, I'm going to add a tablespoon of my green seasoning, a tablespoon of paprika. You could also add some salt, but I don't want my chicken to be salty. Remember, the seasoning has salt already. So now I'm going to use my nice clean hands to season the meat. So ensure that you get all of that seasoning underneath the chicken, underneath the skin, I should say. So you rub it underneath the chicken, you rub it on top of the chicken. You kind of remove the skin a little, rub it underneath there, then you put back the skin. So guys, ensure that you season your chicken well. When you do it this way, you will have some delicious fried chicken. So guys, as you can see, my chicken is looking lovely already. So what I'm going to do now is to just cover it with plastic and let it stay in my refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. You can do it overnight as well. But if you want, you can just season your chicken and fry it just like that. Once you rub the chicken properly rubbing the season properly, then you don't have to marinate the chicken. Here I have 1¼ cup of plain flour. To that, I'm going to add a heaping tablespoon of cornstarch. You can also use your all-purpose flour. So here I'm just adding half a teaspoon of chicken seasoning, half a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and a little black pepper. You could also add some garlic powder, any kind of seasoning you want to add. But I don't want to over add the seasoning. Alright guys, I don't like to add a lot of seasoning to my fried chicken. So here I'm just combining them together. Afterwards I'm going to start adding the chicken. But if you like, you can always place the flour in a bag. So here I have a cup of coconut milk. To the milk I am going to add 1 beaten egg. Just gonna whisk to combine them together. So guys, at this point you can always add some hot sauce or some black pepper to it, but I'm not going to be adding any at all to it. My chicken has been marinated, so I am going to start coating it into the flour mixture. With the chicken, guys, if you like, you can always marinate your chicken with the coconut milk, but I don't like to do it that way. To me, it doesn't have a nice taste when I do it that way, but if you want to do it that way, then you can do it. So after I finish coating the chicken with the flour, I am going to place them into the coconut milk. I will let them stay in there for about 5 to 7 minutes. Afterwards, I'm going to remove them from the milk and then I'm going to flour them again. So ensure that you shake the excess flour off and also ensure that the chicken is fully coated in the coconut milk. So if you have like a wide bowl like mine, then you can always just kind of turn it around in the milk like what I am doing here. So as you can see guys, I am finished coating my chicken pieces. They have so many flakes on them and they are looking lovely. So what I'm going to do now is to heat the oil for frying. So here I have my heated oil. So now I'm going to place the chicken pieces in them. So I'm going to fry them in batches of 3. So I'll be frying my chicken pieces on a medium flame. So remember guys to fry it skin down. So after the chicken is finished frying, I am going to remove them from the pot and place them on a wire rack. So guys, my chicken is finished frying. They are looking so lovely and delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like this video as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Please subscribe if you haven't yet done so and turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss any of my upcoming videos. See you next time. Bye bye.